Introducing the CURT Slipper Roller Suspension, the next evolution in leaf spring suspension technology. Traditional leaf spring suspensions are reliable, but without much advancement in design through the decades, these traditional systems require frequent maintenance and don't provide better ride quality while towing. The new CURT Slipper Roller system is designed with unique enhancements to overcome these challenges, such as rubber bump stops and center bushings that reduce maintenance and enhance performance on uneven terrain. For RVing, the 2-inch wide rubber bushed slipper spring reduces stress on the system by up to 20%, enhancing durability and safety. Furthermore, the CURT Slipper Roller technology keeps both axles parallel to one another. By maintaining parallel axles, the CURT Slipper Roller suspension reduces bump steer and tire wear, while also reducing operating noise. Rubber bushed spring eyes and equalizers protect the unit from vibration, reducing maintenance and wear. Additionally, bump stops on the equalizer prevent over-rotation and high-impact loads to the frame. The unique roller on the equalizer and rear hanger minimizes spring wear, significantly extending the life of the springs compared to standard leaf spring systems. So, for premium performance and reliability when towing, choose the CURT Slipper Roller Suspension, the ultimate upgrade for your RV's suspension system. CURT, leading the way in towing innovation.